Excel VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, can be a powerful tool for automating tasks and streamlining processes within Excel. If you have strong VBA skills, there are several ways you could use this knowledge to earn money. Freelancing. As a VBA developer, you could offer your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Businesses often require custom Excel solutions to automate tasks, analyze data, or build custom reports. You could bid on projects that match your skills and experience and work on them remotely. Consulting. You could offer VBA consulting services to businesses and organizations that need help with complex Excel tasks. This could involve working with clients to understand their needs, designing custom Excel solutions, and providing ongoing support and maintenance. Developing custom Excel tools. You could develop and sell custom Excel add-ins, macros, or templates that help users perform specific tasks more efficiently. You could sell these products through your own website or through online marketplaces such as the Microsoft Office Store. Training and coaching. You could offer VBA training and coaching services to individuals or businesses that want to improve their Excel skills. This could involve creating online courses, writing tutorials and guides, or providing one-on-one coaching sessions. Overall, there are many opportunities to earn money using Excel VBA, but it requires a combination of technical skills, creativity, and business acumen. With the right approach, you can turn your VBA knowledge into a profitable career.